Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this session, we'll practice accepting things as they are and releasing the need to control. Find a comfortable position with a long, relaxed spine. Let your shoulders soften and settle away from your ears. Relax your arms and let your hands rest gently in your lap. And when you're ready, gently close your eyes. Now, direct your attention to your breath. Take a few deep, long breaths. Full, expansive inhalations. Slow, deliberate exhalations. And as you stay present with the rise and fall of your breaths, let them call you into this very moment. And now, allow your breathing to return to a natural, spontaneous pattern. Without tension, breathe in through your nose. And then softly out through your nose again. Stay present with your breath as it begins, and all the way through to the end of your exhale. You're not controlling or manipulating your breath here. You are simply observing the natural rise and fall, watching the breath flow in and out as effortlessly as possible. Now, stay present with your breath and let your attention widen. Allow whatever arises to become part of your experience. Without seeking them out, you might notice sounds in the room around you. Perhaps you'll observe physical sensations or discomfort. Maybe you'll notice emotions come and go. Or simply observe the inevitable wandering of your mind. Rather than seeing these elements as a distraction or deterrent from your meditation, make room for your experience just as it is. You might even label what is happening by saying sounds or sensation, or naming the emotions such as sadness or boredom. And then gently return to your breath, watching the ebb and flow of your easy breath. Now, soften your attention. Life is full of the unexpected. Even when we follow a well-established routine, there are so many things that happen each day that are out of our control. The outcome of our relationships depends on the other person's feelings and intentions. Deadlines at work hinge on our colleagues or managers. Travel plans change in the blink of an eye if the weather doesn't cooperate. And though it may momentarily feel comforting to think that we have control, it can be tiresome and burdensome to try to manipulate what is in fact entirely out of our control. When we learn to accept that we cannot force the outcome of most situations, it becomes easier to navigate the ebbs and flows of life. Just like in our meditation practice, we learn to accept and adapt to what arises. So when you next catch yourself struggling to control or change a situation, remember that by stepping back and accepting what is happening, you might not be able to wield the outcome, but you can choose how you react to it and how you navigate the currents. Now, return to your breath. Take a few deep, expansive inhales and exhales. Slowly become aware of the room around you. Bring small movements back to your fingers and toes. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. I hope you've enjoyed this practice. See you again soon.